Yes. Guys, this is not my experiment, but I will try my best to show an amazing experiment in front of you. Just you need to make sure that you will watch the video till end and support me on this channel. I am here on this channel after a long time. I will try my best to put videos on a daily basis, experimental videos and stuff like that. If you support, I will be regular on this channel. Guys, this is very small balloon. I buy it but for the experiment that I will show you in this video. But these balloons are very small, as you see. Okay. Now a time. This one is this one is large, guys. Guys, now you will see a magic. I have nothing in my hand, but wait a second. You will see a magic here. Yeah, guys. Do you know, guys, what's behind that? I will show you what's that. You can even try at your home. I will show you how is that possible. I have a balloon in my hand. I will drop a few drops of petrol and you will see the magic. Okay guys, just focus on it. Oh my god. Guys, it's difficult to balance because my stand is there. What should I do? What should I do, guys? I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. But focus. Yeah. 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 You see the magic here, guys? That's the reason why balloon blow up.